Heidi, Jingo, what's up today?
I'm going for a walk. Wanna join me, Boo-Boo?
I love walking and breathing fresh air. Ha, ha, my lungs are doing the cha-cha.
I love spotting how different living things survive in the ecosystem.
Ecosystem, is that like a system that echoes? Ecosystem, hee hee.
An ecosystem is where living things live in habitats that suit them.
So like frogs in ponds, lions in grasslands, and me in my bedroom.
Exactly. Habitats with a similar temperature, sunlight, soil and food form ecosystems. The ecosystems are made of the habitats. Habitats may overlap as living things move into other habitats.
Ooh, what are the parts of an ecosystem?
There are living parts and non-living parts.
Like plants? And rocks with no personality?
Sort of. Non-living parts include water, sunlight, soil and gases.
Gases? Like verbs?
Ahem. More like oxygen and carbon dioxide, though burps are technically part of the cycle.
So plants and animals depend on the non-living stuff.
Yup. Plants are autotrophs. They make their own food. Animals are heterotrophs. They order takeout.
And humans?
Humans are at the top, but we still rely on everything below, like a very needy pyramid.
Why are the non-living things at the bottom?
They are at the bottom because if the non-living things are depleted or used up, the plants and animals wouldn't exist.
Oh, no, no, no! That means that humans won't survive either.
It is sad, but true, Boo-Boo. All living things will die without the non-living parts of the ecosystem.
Dippy-doo! What role do plants play in an ecosystem?
Plants are the producers. They whip up food using sunlight, water, gases and mineral salts. Basically, they're nature's chefs. This process is called photosynthesis.
Oh yeah! When plants photosynthesize, they trap sunlight and turn it into carbohydrates. It's like solar-powered snacks. The energy stored in the plants is transferred to the animals when the animals eat the plants. Yo-yo!
Exactly. And while they're cooking, they slurp up carbon dioxide and puff out oxygen.
Yep. Then animals breathe in the oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. It's like a polite exchange of gases. You take this, I'll take that.
Animals eat in 3 ways. Herbivores munch plants, carnivores chomp other animals,
And omnivores, they're the buffet lovers. They eat both plants and flesh. Greedy.
in ecosystems, animals are grouped by how they eat.
Primary consumers are the plant munchers.
Secondary and tertiary consumers are the meat munchers.
The energy moves from the plants to the animals. So interesting. Whew.
But wait, when plants and animals die, decomposers step in.
Like the cleanup crew.
Yup, scavengers nibble the leftovers. Fungi and bacteria break it all down into mineral salts.
And those salts go back into the soil. It's like nature's recycling bin. Yahoo! How does sunlight energy flow through an ecosystem? Or?
Look at this diagram. It's called a food chain. It shows how energy moves from one living thing to another.
Oi! I see it starts with the non-living stuff, like sunlight and soil, the backstage crew.
Yip yap. Plants use sunlight to photosynthesize and store energy as carbohydrates.
Then the primary consumers eat the plants. Munch, munch.
And the secondary consumers eat the primary consumers. It's like a relay race of snacks.
What about the decomposers? Do they get a turn?
Yeah. When anything dies, decomposers break it down and return the nutrients to the soil.
So the plants can photosynthesize again. It's like nature's version of recycle, reuse, repeat. Yahoo!
So, food chains are simple, but in real life it's messier.
Nay?
In the real world, there are many food chains all tangled together. That's called a food web.
Like a spider's web.
Yeah. Take a look at this diagram of a food web in an estuary.
I see the non-living parts water, sunlight, soil, and gases.
And here are the producers, all the photosynthesizing plants.
The herbivores eat the plants. Munch, munch.
And the carnivores eat the herbivores. Lecker Goss!
Eventually, everything dies and decomposes break it down into mineral salts. Can you name some decomposers?
Yup. Crabs, fungi and bacteria. The cleanup crew with no lunch breaks.
Let's explore more food webs in the estuary.
I see the heron could eat the frog or the flathead mullet.
And the frog could eat the beetle, which eats the plants.
The mullet could eat the water plants or algae.
What about the serval cat?
The serval cat could eat the turtle, rat or otter.
The turtle eats water plants.
Ahem. The rat might eat the crab, which eats dead matter.
And the otter might eat the grunterfish, which eats the mullet, which eats the plants. Wow! Eesh, it's like a buffet with no menu.
Oh, did you know that the balance in ecosystems is in danger?
Huh? That's like pulling the plug on the nature's Wi-Fi. So sad.
Air and water pollution and soil erosion cause habitats to change are and will destroy natural ecosystems.
But if we care for nature,
Nature cares for us.
That makes me feel kinda proud.
Me too. Phew. Let's keep learning, sharing, and protecting our world.
Thanks for exploring with us. See you next time in the wild. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao for now.